I got the blues, y'all got the blues. And I got it with a feeling.
Now, do you think that there's such thing as paying your dues as a blues musician?
Exactly.
My head is bald. Slow down in age. See, when I was a young man, I used to do it on my feet. Now I got old, I have to take a damn seat.
You gotta pay your dues. A lot of them haven't paid it. But they think they got the blues. And they're living off somebody else's name. You have to understand that. And there's some doing that. I don't want to call no name, but they're living off of somebody else's name. They haven't paid their dues. But they ain't did shit. How in the hell you gonna tell me you know the blues? And you haven't felt it. And this is what's happening today. On so much of this shit going on. You ain't paid your dues. How the fuck you gonna tell me you got the blues? You ain't never picked no cotton, you ain't never pulled out no fucking mule. And you gonna tell me you got the blues? You don't know the blues. You heard of it. They get a break and live off of somebody else's name in hell and they think they got the blues. You got to live the blues, and you live the blues every day.
Now, what do you have to say to younger blues musicians trying to come up in the blues?
Think about what your forefathers created and try to keep that alive. Not going with this rap and all that shit. Try to think about your forefathers created. They created for you. Try to keep it alive. That's what I like to tell all young black musicians. But they don't want to listen. They should listen. This is what started it. This is why the white man taking the blues and getting rich, and we wonder why we ain't got shit. And it's the truth.